welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe immediately and thank you for visiting this particular video. Now today's video is not going to disappoint you. This particular video is on my very honest hair care routine. I kind of built a hair care routine for myself because I was using a couple of shampoos earlier. I would not want to mention the brands, but those were not working well for me and I was just using it over and over again. So I basically switched everything, and today I can actually tell you that I really like my hair and the condition has definitely improved. I'm sure this is going to improve more and more with continued hair care. I just want to tell you one thing, that the entire process of this hair care shouldn't be considered as a duty. I want you to enjoy it. I want you to kind of fall in love with how your hair is and embrace it and just like whatever it is for, and then take care of it like, very dearly, like how you would take care of a pet or something. And trust me guys, your hair will definitely improve. So what I did is, for the ease of viewing, I have basically done this hair care as a vlog, because I usually start my hair care during the night and it extends up till next day. So I kind of tried pulling up, different clips in a vlog style, and I hope you enjoy watching this. So go ahead guys. So first what we'll be doing is, we'll be taking this Parachute Advanced Aloe Vera Enriched Coconut Hair Oil, and we'll be taking about 2 to 3 spoons of this particular oil. Then next what we'll be doing is, we'll be taking this Bajaj Almond Drops hair oil, because we need almond oil as well. So first I basically took coconut oil, now I'm taking almond oil. Next what I'll be doing is, I'll be taking castor oil. Now please remember, castor oil, it needs to be taken in like very less quantity. So make sure that you put like maximum 2 to 3 drops. Like please don't take more than that, okay? Just be very careful with that. Just adding 2 drops, 3 drops, yeah, this much only. Now what we'll be doing is, I'm also adding aloe vera gel over here to this mixture. Take like about, I think, 2 to 3 pumps of it. Now what I'll be doing is, I'll just be mixing this. Now once I'm done mixing, I will be heating it. So now what we'll be doing is, we'll be quickly putting this into water, because we cannot like really heat this directly. So heat this for about like 5 minutes if you're doing it on induction. I think on gas, like it should not take more than 2 to 3 minutes. But yes, that's the recommended time. So let's just wait till it gets heated. So yes guys, the oil is ready. The oil is actually kind of hot now since we heated it. I like to give my hair a good champy and leave it overnight. And the next day I usually tend to wash it after, applying my hair mask, which we will be doing tomorrow by the way. So tonight I'm just going to be applying this hair oil. What I'll be doing is, since it's, it's pretty hot, first of all, we will just be parting our hair. Basically, I'll just take the oil and I'll be applying it on my scalp. You can do it with your fingers as well, but it's just a bit hot. That's the only reason I'm doing it with a cotton pad. Now what I like to do after oiling my hair is, I basically like to use a comb like this, the comb with big tooth, and I basically like to comb my hair. So yes guys, I have finally combed my hair, and what I'll be doing is, I will be getting a good night's sleep, and tomorrow morning we'll just continue this particular hair care routine. Good night. So yes, I just completed my exercise, and since I oiled my hair last night, I promised you guys that today morning I'll be showing you how I usually tend to apply my hair mask prior to taking a hair wash. For the hair mask, what I like to do is, I like to use this particular herbal powder by Mira. It's basically made with pure natural ingredients. There is no, parabens, no sulfates, no chemical whatsoever, and they've clearly mentioned their ingredient list over here as well. This has a very strong smell of shikakai as well. The moment you open it, there will be a strong smell that you'll get. I have been using this for about 8 months now, and trust me guys, my hair fall has reduced, my dandruff has reduced, and I think my hair is getting better. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this product. I'll be taking a bowl like this, and I'll just be taking the product over here. Now remember one thing, the amount of product that you need to take will depend on the length of your hair. So what I like to do is I usually like to add aloe vera gel to this particular powder. I'm just taking 2 to 3 pumps of it. That should be sufficient. Now after this, what you need to do is you basically need to add water to this. So I've just taken the mixture and I've also taken the water. I'm just adding it. So yes guys, I'm just mixing it up. So this is how the consistency will look like. So now what you need to do is you can basically take any brush like this, a hairbrush. You can also apply it with your fingers actually, it just gets a little messy. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm just going to be again sort of parting my scalp. So what I'm doing is essentially I'm just taking the product and I'm putting it all across my scalp. So what I did is I basically just quickly went ahead and applied it evenly over my scalp. And now what I'll be doing is I will be leaving this for about 20 minutes. Please remember, don't leave it for more than 35 minutes, since this is actually very cooling to your scalp and you can get cold if you're just going to leave it for a very long time. You don't have to use anything while you're washing your hair. You can just like that go ahead and wash. So yes guys, now my hair has actually kind of dried off. It's like it's a little bit wet, but that's when I like to usually apply my serum. You can apply your serum when your hair is like kind of half wet, half dry, or you can also choose to apply your serum after your hair has dried completely. The serum that I usually like to use is this Kaya hair serum. I really feel that this is very good for the hair. But anyway, I don't trust any serum enough to actually apply it on my scalp. This does mention that you can go ahead and apply this on your scalp, but I usually tend to apply my serum just at the bottom of my hair. So that's how I like to do it. Of course, you can go ahead and experiment in different ways. So what I usually do is I take like a little bit serum and then I just rub it, and then I just like to apply it on the bottom length of my hair. It's not really difficult to tame my hair as it is already straight and it is also a bit silky. So I don't need a lot of serum. Sometimes I even skip the serum. But yeah, in case I'm going out right after I'm going to shampoo my hair and stuff, I feel that applying the serum does give you that polished effect and it really looks nice. So after I have applied my serum, I usually tend to comb my hair. So guys, one thing, don't comb your hair when your hair is wet. That is one advice I want to give. That's when you'll have the maximum hair fall. So yes. So yes guys, that was how the video looked like. I hope you really enjoyed watching this particular video. Now just a quick thing I wanted to let you know. In the video I basically directly washed my hair, but I usually wash my hair after the hair mask once a week, and there's just one more day in the week, probably the midweek, where I shampoo my hair. So you can go ahead and use any particular shampoo which is sulfate free and paraben free. That would work well for you. There is no problem in that. If you're going to be following my hair care routine, trust me, the shampoo isn't going to make a lot of difference, if you know what I mean. You just need to ensure that the shampoo that you're using is good. An organic shampoo would do. Now, if you have like very intensive hair care problems, like if you have intensive hair fall problems, or if you have different issues like graying of hair or anything, please do consult a doctor. A hair care routine alone cannot help you. But yeah, of course, this is definitely going to improve the condition of your hair, as it has done for me, for sure. So thank you so much guys again for watching this video. Please do take very good care of yourself. Goodbye.